Right now, sentiment in hardware is showing a surprising spike at plus 0.26, while momentum has dipped to minus 0.54. This contrast suggests a notable shift in perception despite a decline in momentum, indicating that while you might see bearish trends, sentiment is actually improving. Our API returns real-time sentiment scores, momentum figures, and semantic clusters that help you understand the nuances behind the numbers. For instance, you could leverage this data to adjust your inventory or marketing strategies in response to rising consumer optimism, even as momentum falters. Curious how you can integrate this into your application? Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.